If your Prius chose the triangle of death, don't panic. It does not always mean you need to spend $3,000 battery replacement. In many cases, the problem is just a few weak models. Today, I'll show you how to scan the codes, how to remove the HV battery, how to test each model, and how I fixed mine for a fraction of the cost. Stay until the end. I'll also explain why these batteries fail in the first place. First step, confirm the problem. Use a OBD2 scanner and check the store codes. If you see the P0A80, that usually means replace hybrid battery pack. But wait, that code doesn't always mean the entire battery is bad. Many times, only one or a few cells are weak. That's what we're going to verify. Disconnect the 12-volt battery first. For easy access, remove the rear seats and interior panels. Now let me explain something important. One of the main reasons these models fail is heat. Over time, high temperatures damage the battery cells. Corrosion also develops at terminals due to the heat and chemical reactions. That's why it is extremely important to keep the battery cooling fan clean. If the fan is clogged with dust, pet hair, or debris, the battery overheats, and overheated batteries fail faster. Maintenance can extend the life of your hybrid battery. Disconnect the orange service plug. This is a high voltage battery. It can cause serious injury or even death if handled incorrectly. Always disconnect the service plug and follow proper safety procedures. If you are not comfortable working with high voltage, do not attempt this repair. Carefully disconnect all wiring harnesses. Remove the mounting bolts. Keep in mind, the battery is heavy, so lift carefully. Take your time. Do not rush this step. Once the battery is out, remove the cover. Inside, you will find 28 models. Now we test each model using a voltmeter. Each model should read about the same voltage. In most healthy batteries, readings are very close. In my case, 24 models were reading 7.94 volts, but 4 models were significantly lower. The voltage difference tells you which models are weak. If you see a big variation, those models are likely failing. Some technicians recommend balancing the models before installing them. That was not the case for me. The same HV battery system was used for Generation 2 and Generation 3 Toyota Prius. So the same systems apply for Toyotas from 2004 to 2015. Corrosion can develop on the main terminals due to high temperatures and the chemical reactions between copper and the sulfuric acid vapors released as gas. Before reinstalling, clean any corrosion of the bus bars and terminals. Corrosion increases resistance and can affect battery performance. Remember to share and subscribe, and visit my channel where you will find more Prius-related videos. It's important that the replacement models have a voltage very close to the rest of the pack. Large voltage differences can cause imbalance and trigger the warning light again. Instead of replacing the entire battery, I replace only the 4-quick cells. Replacement cells can be found on eBay, and the prices are usually between $25 and $35 per cell. Make sure the seller has a good ratings, the models are tested, and the voltage is clearly listed. Install the replacement cells. Torque everything properly. Reassemble carefully. Now reinstall the battery in reverse order. Reconnect all wiring. Reinstall the service plug. Reconnect the 12-volt battery. Then start the car. The same HV battery system was used for Generation 2 and Generation 3 Toyota Prius. Keep in mind, replacing individual models is a repair, not a brand new battery. Longevity can vary depending on the condition of the remaining models. So remember, the triangle of death does not mean a total battery failure. Sometimes the solution is just a few weak models. If this video helps you, please share with another Prius owner. Subscribe for more real-world Prius repairs, and check my channel for more content. The triangle of death disappeared. No warning lights, no hybrid errors. After reinstalling the battery, clear the codes with your scanner and monitor the system to make sure the repair was successful. I'll see you at the next video.